Get ready for an adrenaline rush as we unveil the Honor 90, the latest sensation from Honor's numbered series. Hold onto your seats, folks, because this phone is a game changer. The Honor 90 is more than just a smartphone. It's a fashion statement. With its sleek, slim, and perfectly balanced body, it feels like a dream in your hand. Plus, the choice of eye-catching colors and luxurious finishes will leave you in awe. Feast your eyes on the brilliant 6.70 AMOLED screen with a whopping 1600 nits of peak brightness, HDR10 plus support, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Your visuals will never be the same. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 Accelerated Edition, making sure every task is a breeze. With memory options ranging from 8GB to a massive 16GB, you'll have all the power you need. The Honor 90 boasts a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel front camera for stunning photos and 4K video recording. With a 5000 mAh battery and 66W fast charging, this phone keeps you going non-stop. Plus, NFC support adds a touch of convenience to your life. When you unbox the Honor 90, you'll find not just a phone, but a whole package of joy. The 66W fast charger, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and a protective TPU case are all included. It's everything you need to dive into the world of excitement. Don't miss out on the Honor 90, your ticket to a thrilling mobile experience. Grab yours today and make every moment epic.